Hello. Let's practice pronunciation. Okay. Read. 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 You try. Read. Read. Good. Okay. Draw. Draw. Let's say ah. 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 Draw. You try. Draw. Good. Okay. Hop. Ah. You try. Ah. Hop. 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 Good. Okay. Write. 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 Right. Good. Right. Catch. 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 You try. Catch. Catch. Good. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. You try. Ride a bike. Good. Okay. Play football. Play football. Play football. Okay, you try. Good. Play football. Climb. 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 You try. Climb. Good. Good pronunciation. Okay, now I can. I can. I can. I can read. I can read. I can draw. I can draw. Draw. I can draw. Okay. I can hop. I can hop. I can hop. I can write. I can write. I can catch. I can catch. I can ride a bike. Ding ding. I can ride a bike. I can play football. I can play football. I can play football. I can climb. I can climb. Okay. Let's practice. I can't. Can't. Can. Can't. T sound. T, 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 t. Can't. Can't. Can. Not. Cannot. It's can't. Okay. Let's practice. Can't. Can't. Good. Can. 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 Can't. 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 Can. Can. Can't. Can't. Good. Okay, now a test. Listen, I can or I can't. Okay. I can't read. I can't read. I can climb. I can climb. I can't play football. I can't play football. I can write. I can write. I can draw. I can draw. I can't catch. I can't catch. Okay. Test. Okay. So now, what is this? Read. Read. Good. Okay. Oh. I can't catch. What is this one? Right. Right. Okay. What is this one? It's draw. Draw. To draw. Draw. Catch. 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 Okay. Wait. Play football. This one. Climb. Climb. This one. Hop. Hop. Good. This one. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ride a bike. Good job. Okay, good practicing.